Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Tuesday. So the second day, second trading of this week. We have a huge move today before we go into the charts, but we have a huge move today. So we anticipate maybe the big move tomorrow or Thursday, because Wednesday, Thursday is the key day of the week. So we watch for that. It's a huge move on Friday, on Monday, and Tuesday. Then we're not gonna have huge moves on Thursday and Friday. But if we don't, if you look at the daily time frame, you see the last Friday right there is the huge Dow candle right there. So this two candle is just a retracement. So the next 3 days we're gonna watch is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's gonna be a next leg down. It's gonna be reversal from here. It looked like to us it's gonna be a next leg down. You see test from above, try this level at 58.93. So get ready to short on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's our anticipate right there. So this is a short setup. So you have expansion and then you have retracement, and this retracement gonna have a alternative reversal. It's gonna happen, or it's gonna have a next leg down right here because it tests from above. So that is our anticipate right there. Or it could be a fail for breakout, or another word we call flip for breakout. Instead of for breakdown, it got flip. So it looked like this candle got flip because early at the day, beginning of the day, here's what we saw. You see that candle got flip right there. We thought that, you see that test from above 1, 2, and then it break it. So you have break, and then you have test from above. So it's gonna be reverse. So it's gonna be a full breakout, but it got flipped. So it got flipped, right? You see it got flipped right there. That is can be. So we it can be either way. So it can be got flipped right here. So it's gonna be it's gonna expansion. Basically, it's gonna be expansion, retracement, expansion. That is if the flip is true. But if not, then we're gonna see this. It's just a expansion, right, or reversal right here, or retracement, and then they're gonna be a build up sell side liquidity, and then boom, you're gonna make a second leg down. So this is similar to what we see today on 15 minutes. Yeah, when we go to detail on the charts, we can go over that setup. All right, so we are in the second trading day of this week, and this week we don't have any huge or impact news. We do have one come up next week, so 27, 28, and next week we have a Thanksgiving break, so that also bring the market to a very low volume right now. We have a GBD that come out on Wednesday, right, 27, and then the BC come out at 26. Yeah, so Wednesday and Thursday next week. So watch for Wednesday and Thursday. You're gonna make big move. All right, so the risk today in the pre-market in the London it dropped real low. I mean, it's huge because of the conflicts in Ukraine, right? So the market sell off when Ukraine, fire a long-range missile into Russia territory. So the market react negatively, but when the New York open, it reversed. People going and buy it. Part of that because of tomorrow the earning for Nvidia come out, so a lot of people going and buy Nvidia. That's the reason why it bring the SP future, bring it up today. It flipped today. All right, let's see what we have at the beginning of the day. So at the beginning of the day, we see like that. So we thought that, okay, it's gonna be, so we check this right at 9:30 right there. So we thought this, break, test from above, and then reverse right here at this level at 80, 58, 93, 75 right there. It's the key level right there. So we're gonna watch this level, the 29, into the risk range for the rest of the week right there. And here's we got in the 15-minute when we take the 3 minutes before 9:30. So you have a huge expansion down right there, right? And then you have a retracement right here, and then go to consolidation, and there's expansion and retracement, and it goes to consolidation, and then it's expansion, and then it go to retracement, and then it go to expansion again, which is the next leg down, and it can be last leg down, which is reverse right here. Well, the reason why we can anticipate the work from here, because look at this first leg down and this second leg down. We can anticipate this is the second leg down. It's gonna reverse. You know why? Because you see pay attention at the retracement right here. This retracement right here is huge, because it's two leg retracement. You see that? That's called two leg retracement right there. Then definitely right here, it's gonna reverse, because it also hit the time frame level. It's the weekly level right there. It break and we reverse right away. So that is the reversal. Yeah, let's put that into our verbiage. So basically, we have a expansion, and then it goes to retracement, and then it goes to consolidation right there. So we can see that. And remember, everything is start with consolidation. So you have consolidation right here, and then you have a huge expansion move. It's price delivery model right there. So you have expansion. After the consolidation, you have expansion, and expansion gonna go what? It's gonna go retracement, and then it goes to expansion again. In this case, it's retracement. But note, in this case, is a two leg up retracement. That is the signature for that. When it do another leg down, it's gonna reverse. It's not gonna make another next leg down. It finished. Yeah. So that means that the expansion right. So basically we say right here, the expansion or next leg down will lead to reversal. That's a signal right there. That's the thing we see right there. We say right there. So it's a two leg up retracement, and that is mean that if the next leg down is gonna reverse raise. Basically, we say right there. So right here is a expansion, which is a neck leg down right there, and then we're gonna have a reversal. So right here it's gonna be reverse. And look at the neck leg down, it hit the high time frame level. High time frame level hit right there. So that means that it rate all the buys, the sell side liquidity. Basically, it get ready to reverse. That's the whole idea. Yes, it's a reversal right here. So going and buy right here. So that's an idea. It will not make an leg down. Yeah, let's save this one. All right, so we just finished our verbiage right there. So it's gonna be reversal from here. Yeah, the reason one is reversal from here because retracement is 2 leg up retracement. That means it built up a lot of sell side liquidity, and it rate that sell side, boom, it gonna reverse. And also it hit the high time frame level right there, high time frame hit. Then this is a reversal. Okay, so with that in mind, then let's see how it opened at 9:30. All right, if that, then we can go in and buy right away at 9:30. We can go in and buy right away at 9:30. But actually, the trade we took today, we didn't buy in at 9:30. We wait for the 9:30. You see that? It hit exactly the high time frame right there. And you see the huge retrace. And right here, we thought that, you see this level, the candle right there, candle ran huge out there. Basically, we thought it's gonna be break. It's gonna be break and test from above, and it's gonna reverse right here. So it's a 4 breakout. So it's gonna make a second leg down. So right there. Yeah, it looked very scary right there. We thought it's gonna be a second leg down. We didn't thought that it's right here. It have to be reversal right here. It cannot make another leg down because you look at this retracement and 2 leg up retracement and high time frame target already hit. So there's no way it's gonna go down. We didn't see that. At this moment, we didn't see now, but now look back. That's the lesson. That is the lesson we learned, right? But you're gonna see the magic right here. So you see that is supposed to test from right. It's break and test from below, right here, break and then reverse. That's it. The type 2 reversal. Type 2 reversal right there. Yeah, here's again what we mean by type 2 reversal. Basically test from below, break and reverse. So that's exactly we're thinking at that moment. Test from below, break and reverse. You see that? We thought it's gonna reverse. You see that? We thought it's gonna reverse. So type 2 right there. But we did not entry at this short neither. But here's we entered right here. We will show you the recording trade later, but let's watch this. So after this candle close, you see that at this candle close, we thought that you see test from above. Now we thought it's gonna be type 1, which is breaks, tests from above and reverse. That's what we thought right there. You see that? Yes, we thought it's going to reverse. It's the type 1 right there. We did enter the short right here. And we go all in with the big side. That is the blunder we make. We need to just go in just one contract to test the water, but we go all in right there. That's the mid-text. That's the blunder right there. Because we thought that it's gonna be this right here. You see the 4 breakout reversal type 1 right there, which is break, test from above, and reverse right there. So it's break this level, 58, 85 right there, and 75, this 75. All right, break, test from above, and reverse. Perfect. So we go short right there. However, it's got flip. See that? It back and forth, back and forth. And the next candle is very interesting. See right there? Okay, so perfect. So now you have test from above twice. So this break gonna be huge. Right, we short again. Perfect, right? It follow our setup. Test from above twice. But you look right here, the magic happened. It got flip. Is a 10-15 candle, all right. So 3 minutes into the 10-15 candle, and you see it got flip. It failed to deliver the 4 breakout setup. So basically the 4 breakout got flip. See that? So 15, all right. So 10 minutes, you see the flip already. The flip already taking, and I will reset from set to buy right there. 10 minutes into the candle 15. Yeah, you see right there, explosive right there. So the last 2-3 minutes of the candle 10-15 explosive, and we did take that screenshot right there. So basically it's a 4 breakout at this level 75. Basically you have break, test from above 2 times, and then it's about to be reversed, but the reverse got flip at 10-15 right there. That means that when you have a 4 breakout reversal got flip, that means that this is a retracement, and then you're gonna have expansion. Right, if you have expansion, explosive, that's the idea right there. So it got flip. It got flip. You see that it very similar pattern. You look at the chart yesterday. Where is our right here? So you see yesterday right here. At 9:30 and then at 9:45, you see that it break test from above. This guy also test from above. This guy is supposed to break it, but it failed to break it, and then the next candle at 10 it got flipped. So similar right here today, right? You say break the level, test from above 1, and this candle is supposed to be break it, but it did not. Then the next candle it got flipped. Yeah, very similar right there. So in both case today and yesterday, we need to wait for the 9:30 candle to form to give us more information. So basically today and yesterday very similar. The only difference is that the flip is just 15 minutes later, right? The flip happened yesterday at 10, but this one is just tipped. But today it's 10:15, so it's a 15 minute later. See that? Yeah, very similar. It's so beautiful. All right, let's look at the trade we take today. All right, here's our first trade we took, right? Because we know that whenever you see this candle is called hanging man, then the next candle is gonna be at least, test the low. Perfect, fine. But the trick that you have to move into break even right away, because what happened if that it got flipped? So you have to protect yourself right there. That's the lesson we learned. We didn't move to break even right away to break ourselves. We let it play out, and we intentionally let it play out so we can learn a lesson. But that's a lesson we should learn. Whenever you see this hanging man, you know that the next candle is going to be moved down to take the sell-side liquidity, at least the low of that candle. So let's see it yeah, it did. You see that? Yeah, it did touch that low right there. So if we look into the charts, we can see that. You see that candle? It did touch the low, so create an equal low. Wow, that's a huge lesson we learned right at 25 exactly. So we should aim for the low of this candle. Yes, for sure it's gonna go there. That's a low hanging fruit right there. Instead of aim for the low of this candle. That's perfect right there. Yeah, I see that. You see this up close candle right there? So when it touched, it did not hit this low, but because this candle did not sweep this low, but this candle, this hanging man swept the low. So this candle don't have to go and sweep the low of this candle, but for sure it's gonna flip the low of this candle. What you see right there, this candle did not flip the low. So this candle, when it fell flip the low, then you get ready and go long. Yep, see right there. Okay, so we learned from here that we need to aim for this level, not this level. That's a lesson we learned. Just in case it got flipped on us, and it did. It got flipped on us. Right here, you see that it flipped back, and it flipped on us. And when we saw the flip, you know what? We go long. But we make mistakes that if we go long, then our stop loss have to be below this level, right? Stop loss have to be, yes, below this level right there. This level below the 82 right there. Yeah, we go long, and when we just sweep, we go long. But we make mistake right there. We close right away, and then we go. Wait till we go long again, and then we saw the flip. We go short, and then we go long. So that means we try out and we hit a huge loss right there. We should not, go with all the previous trade is for test the water. We should go with one side, one contract. That's the blunder, the mistake that we learn, and we forgive ourselves, right? We give ourselves room to make errors so we can learn. But anyway, we go in right here. It's hill run first. You see that, and we know that it's gonna hit the London high right there. If you look at the chart, it's gonna hit the London high. It did. It go more than that. It go another 2R with a 10 point right there. yeah, 3 or 15 point right there, it go another. So it will let it run, it's gonna be huge. So somehow it did not hit that level. You see that we am at 725 and it did not hit our target. You see that? It did not execute. It should execute right there. It did not. It's very strange. So sometimes, our target did not hit right the first time. It can make then that make us a little bit nervous right there. We say, wow, maybe it already test, it already hit. It will not try again. So we kind of a little bit nervous. So when we see the retrade right here, we just take out the trade, we exit the trade. Right, that's we exit the trade. Too early right there. We should let it run. Right, it will run. It will hit our target right away. The next candle, we see that. Yeah, hit our target. But it will let it run. It go another 3R right there. So the here lesson we learn. Basically, when we're not sure what direction you're gonna, what liquidity you're gonna draw on, what direction you're gonna go, we test the water, and then test the water is one side only. And when we see the flip, and we figure out how the algo build the liquidity and what kind of direction it go into, then we can go all in. Don't go in too soon. Okay, that's the first lesson. Second lesson, that we should let it hit our targets. Yes, we should let it hit our targets. Don't try to take the profit too early right there. Yep. All right, so now let's look at right here, all the way right here, and you see that there is set up right here. You see break test from above. It did not reach the level yet, but it's make a retracement right here. Right, you have a huge run right here, so its retracement happen at 10-14 right there. We did make a mistake right here. Right here we go long. We thought we're gonna hit this high time frame level. That's the mistake we make. Let's look at the trade we take. So right here it's just a very naive, a formal trade right here. We should not go long. You see the hill run right here. It's gonna exhaust it. It's gonna reverse right from here, retracement right here. But you know what? We kind of formal, right? We should go in right here if we want to at this candle. At this candle, when we saw it at 1:30, we know that it's gonna make another move, but we kind of hesitant. We did go, and then when we saw the candle again, we anticipate gonna hit the high time frame level right here at 59.51, right? 59.51, which is this level right there. Yes, the high time frame right 51.1 right there. We thought it would hit this level, but it did not. And if we want, we just try with one contract. But you know what? We make mistake, man. You see that? We increase the contract right there, but we should take the profit, man. We did not, and we just leave it there, and it go again right away. You see that? It go again right away, and we paid the price for that. See? Yes, we paid the price for it, so we make the mistake right there. That's the formal. We should not take that trade. Yeah. So every day is a lesson learned for right there. Yeah, we should not take that trade. A good trade, and we go long right here. Let test the water first, don't go all in. And when you see the flip, the momentum switch, then we go all in, and we should let it run. and then you call it for the day. Don't go in right here. And when you see the setup right there, 42.50. Wow, what level is that? That is a short setup right there. Press test from above and reverse. Okay, 50, 59, 42, 50. 59, 42, 50. Maybe this level. Yes, that's exactly this level. Yes. That's amazing. I think yeah, this is the key level. This low is 42.50. That's where we see much better with the short setup. Yeah, now you can see the short setup much better. Yeah, you see that? Break test from out. Yes. Beautifully. Yeah, so that being right there, we have a short setup. Yep. That's a break, and that's from above right there. Let's take a screenshot this one real quick. Alright, so we just recheck the screenshot for the end of day with the update at this level right here, 59, 42, 50, which is reflect a much better setup. It helps us to formulate a much better setup right here. Breaks test from above and reverse, which is a type 1 reversal right there at the hour 2:15 right there. And by the way, you can see that one of the reasons why it's reversal right here, because if you look at this swing right here, it's swing high, what did we see? We see that it go up there, it rate the buy side liquidity, and then it go down, it rate the sell side liquidity right there. So what you call that? It rate both side liquidity rate right there. And after that, it make a retracement and a huge U swing right here. Then the reversal is gonna be in place right there. So that's another way help us to identify this move right here. It's a reversal, so we can go all in right there. Yes, go all in. All right, I think we ran out of time. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for these opportunities. We do what we love, then success is coming our way. Day by day, little by little. In every way, we're getting better and better. Thank you, and good night.